So hi everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like in this video, we're gonna see like another day, another lesson. It is something like the funny topic. So yeah, we're gonna see like something interesting. We want to speak that is important to some of the people, some of the beginner also. Like we are the everyday learning something new every day. We are something so it is inspiring or something that different. The some of time it is a felt happy, some of the time it is the very sad, some of time we are move forward, we can't. Why it is happening for the everyone. I don't know. Like if you know about something, so please let me know in the comment section. I am interesting to see about that. Like I am also like every day something will be happening for the reason. I am also thinking, say, if anything happen for in my life, I'm thinking, yeah, everything happened for a reason. I'm simply said, the some of time I am like expected to some of the goal or some of the achievement I expected, but I am, if I in my choice, I am, if something I will play only, I either winning moment I am eager to working on that. If I win, that is a top one, or it is the low. I'm expecting that, guys. Some of times some people are that there are give up. I don't know like why there are give up. In my opinion, guys, the every day I'm learning something new. I am, if I speaking with you, if some of time I am stucking before that video, like yeah, in this video we are not like I am not stucking while I am speaking the English, because of, if that is the confidence. In my YouTube channel, so many videos I uploaded, go and watch it before the 1 month. I am so many stuck, I am hesitant to speak. Now I am free to speak with you, because of that is a boost my confidence. So yeah, this is a huge, guys. If you start simple, that is a makes different. I'm also like speaking skill, like with some of the videos or some of the while in my perspective. But I am given my self introduction. I am practicing my job interviews. So these are the happening for these are the happening like every day I am doing, like, because of, if you doing like this, yeah, you are the flexible that language. Yeah, you can easily speak that language. I literally the one day I realized, guys, like if you speaking that slowly, yeah, you can speak easily. That is the much more important. I am also like fast speaking. I don't know what's the reason began on that. Well, like the way I'm speaking the fast. After that, I realized it. So yeah, I think you should speak slowly. Yeah, you can easily speak. So this is happening. So be patient, guys, and also think about, if you before the sleep at the night. Yeah, think what will be happen today, what we are doing. So we have done anything. Yeah, yesterday compared to today, I will improve 1%. So that is the huge matter, guys. So keep that way. Don't compare ourselves to someone. That's the most important. I am also doing like that way, because of I am also every day the comparing with myself. I am the trying to stop thing, but I can't. So yeah, we are together to stop that thought, or we are move forward like that way. So yeah, guys. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And if you any suggestions for this video, so please let me know in the comment section, and also some of the thoughts share with your own. Yeah, we have some place that is a comment section. So yeah, we're gonna see next video. Okay, bye.